Alright, welcome back to another devlog for Europa Auto Factory Operation. This is a working title, be aware. Alright, things that have been added. 1. Give feedback button. This brings up a Google Forms with some questions for anybody who plays the game to respond to, with suggestions for me. And beyond that we have the tutorial and quit. I will run us through the tutorial now. Alright, so this is the tutorial I have added to the game. I think that this screen is a little bit text heavy, but I mean it gets the job done, teaching people how to play. I'll use A and D to adjust that a little bit. I'll set the recipe to find copper. That's what copper ore is turned to refined copper. It's just how it works, you know. Makes sense, I like to think. I'll double it up so it works a bit better. Alright, the basic goal of the game is to add processed resources to the core. As you can see, just did that. Good job. Alright, now it says this way. Alright, fill in the marked positions, and don't forget to set the recipes. I need to fine-tune the aim of these miners. Sure, that sounds reasonable. So, sand, brick. I'll change that to sand. I'm hitting escape to close the menu when I'm done. Brick, and I will add some miners. So, I will go over the 3 ways of aiming a miner now, or any object. First way, scroll wheel. You can see how that's pretty fast. You know, it's more for general movements. Then I can use the Q and E buttons to fine-tune that. And then one that I really like is F. Follows the mouse, so you can see where my mouse is going. It follows, and then I can hit click to set it. So I'll use F on this one as well. Set it right there. Look, they're both going in. Now we can watch the brick enter the core. Almost done. Alright, it says add a fan here to push items into your core. Alright, so fan is item number 1. Ta-da. This fan is almost done the job. I'll reach the core, use fans to push the items. Alright. So, what's happening over here? Fan is pushing, and I missed. Alright, let's try that. So, we've got some more iron coming in. And ta-da! Tutorial completed. To exit the tutorial, hit the escape button or click the pause button in the top left. Enjoy the game. Alright, one thing that this game vitally needed and now has, I'm not sure if I've shown this before or not, it's been a while, is saving and loading. So, let's open up demo1.europa. Alright, so a couple things you might see here. First, we've got projects. Upgrade the core. So this is my core. It's currently level 1. Says I need 750 brick, 500 iron, 500 copper, and 250 picrete. Currently have met none of those requirements, but I'm working on it. Looks like these guys just ran out of ore while I was doing that, so I'll remove them, refund. Got some iron coming in from way down here. Let's see, but I definitely need some more brick, so I'll just walk you through how I set up a random production line over here. So, let's look at the recipe for brick. Brick. 1 sand and 2 rock equals 3 brick. Alright, so I know that sand is made from rock, and rocks are obviously made from rock, so they're both mined at the exact same rate. That means that it's a 2-to-1 ratio. I need 2 rock miners and 1 sand miner. How do I get a sand miner, you ask? Well, you actually don't. What you do is you run a rock through a crafting machine. 1 rock equals 1 sand. It's a 1-to-1 ratio. So that should mean that I am getting, 3 brick coming out. Let's just make sure that's working properly. Yep, 3 brick. Alright, now I just need to route these to the core. Let's see, something like this should help. Yeah, getting going, and over here? Not quite. Let's aim that a little bit more with the F key. And one final one to send them right in. Oh, that's silly. Alright, yeah, you saw that brick. Might not have quite made it. Here we go. Alright, so now I'm getting much more brick being added to my core at a pretty rapid rate. So that's the basic gameplay loop, honestly. There's more complicated recipes, like picrete, which takes 6 crushed ice and 1 sand. Other recipes and features, such as fuel and liquid processing via, you can mine it with pumps and then process it with barrels, produce rocket fuel, salt, sulfuric acid, etc., etc. Those will all be covered in a later video. But for now, if you want to explore them yourself before that video comes out, if it ever does, you can visit the link in the description to itch.io, where you can download the game for free and play it. Currently it is unlisted, so you will only be able to play it by looking at the link. And that's all. Thanks for watching. Have a good one.